Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher, Shalomi, and today I want to share a quick DIY with you. So what we were looking at is this beautiful black ornate frame. My daughter and I found it last summer at an estate sale, and we paid only $1 for it. But with the baby shower coming up, I'm going to do something a little bit differently with it and wanted to share that with you. So if you want to see what I've created, stick around. Okay, penny pincher, so after the spray painting, it is now dry and this is what it looks like. I think it looks absolutely beautiful in this bright metallic gold. Just wanted you to see it after. And now we are going to move to our next step. Okay, so what I'll be using this for, again, I said I'm going to use it for the baby shower as a part of a backdrop. This is going to be hanging in front of like sheer curtain panels. And what I'm going to do is add this J. I showed you this in my last haul. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale in their clearance section and it was only 50 cents. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to have it in the center of this frame, but what I want it to do is I want it to look like it's floating, just floating in the center. So I'm going to use this string. It's a transparent string. I got it at Michael's. It's called Stretch Magic. It's what they use to like bead jewelry and things like that. So I'm going to use it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it with hot glue to the back of the letter and then attach it to the frame. Okay, so I have flipped the frame over, back side facing up. I've also done the same thing with the letter. And what I did was I tied the cord over the frame and made a knot, and to secure it I just made a ball here at the top, and then just so it doesn't look as raw and as rough, I just added a little piece of bling wrap back there. You absolutely don't have to do that because this is the back of it, nobody will see it, but I just wanted to make sure that it was extra secure. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull the string down on the letter, the back of it, pull it tight, and then I am just going to hot glue the string onto the back of the letter. So I will attach it and then come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to use my hot glue gun, but in an effort to provide that extra support, I'm going to use this all-purpose bonding glue. It's called Contact Cement. I found this in the Dollarama. Just to give it some extra support, I'm going to use it along with the hot glue gun. So what I've done is I've added the contact cement all along the back of it and have just set the string in it. But just for extra support, I'm going to use this. This is the lid off an old Christmas box. And I'm just going to cut the edges off of it and just lay it along there on top of this with the hot glue gun to give it some additional support. If you have popsicle sticks, that would be perfect for this project. I don't have any popsicle sticks right now, so I'm just going to make do with this lid. Strips for extra support. It feels very nice and tight. So at this point I still have the string attached. I know you can barely see it. So at this point, and now that I'm satisfied, I'm just going to cut the string off. And we are going to turn this over and see what it looks like. Okay, penny pinchers, so here is the finished product. This is what it turned out to be, and I'm absolutely loving it. Just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like. At the baby shower, it will be hanging in front of white share panels. So that little string that I have coming down, that having it look like it's floating, is gonna be that much more transparent. But leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. I think it turned out great, but I love to get your feedback. You know that. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'd love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting that subscribe button below and hit also the notification bell. That way you are first to know when I upload a video. And to all my penny pinchers, love you guys so much. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalom is saying love you, love you, love you. Bye bye.